Hey, what's going on everyone? Some leaks about the upcoming Samsung phone, the Galaxy A12s, has been tipped by multiple tipsters and some articles also surfaced on the same topic. So in this video, we will be telling you what we know so far about the upcoming Samsung phone, the Samsung Galaxy A12s, like the expected specifications and price. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. My name is Sovik and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's begin. Before we jump right into the video, if you're still not subscribed to Phone Politics, make sure to hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get all the notifications about our upcoming videos. Recently, a Samsung phone with the model number SMA127F/SMA127M was spotted at Bluetooth SIG certification site and Samsung Philippines support site. A recent leak claimed that it will debut as a new chipset variant of the Galaxy A12. The existing A12 is powered by the Helio P35 chip, but its new variant is expected to feature the Exynos 850 SoC by Samsung. Fresh findings from Google Play Console and Google Support Devices list suggest that the device may debut as the Galaxy A12s. The model number of the existing Galaxy A12 is SM A12-5F. In the Google Supported Devices list, the SMA127/M handset is mentioned with the Galaxy A12 marketing name and they are listed as A12s in the device column. Since the South Korean company is already selling a phone with Galaxy A12 name, it is likely that the upcoming phone could be called the Galaxy A12s. Now let's talk about the expected price of Samsung Galaxy A12s. Known tipster Sudhanshu Ambore tweeted that Samsung Galaxy A12s will be offered in 4GB plus 64GB storage configurations that will cost €180, while the 4GB plus 128GB model will cost €200, which is roughly around 17,700 Indian rupees. It is expected to launch in black, blue and white colors. Now let's talk about the expected specifications of Samsung Galaxy A12s. As for the specifications, Ambore adds that the phone will be powered by Exynos 850 SoC and comes with Android 11 out of the box. The tipsters states the rest of the specifications of the Galaxy A12s will be the same as the Samsung Galaxy A12 that was launched in India in February this year. If so, the Galaxy A12s will feature a 6.5-inch HD Plus TFT Infinity V display and pack a quad rear camera setup. It will be headlined by 48-megapixel primary sensor, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide angle shooter and 2-megapixel macro shooter and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Samsung Galaxy A12s will be backed by a 5000 mAh battery that supports 15-watt fast charging. It should be noted that Samsung has not said any information about the Galaxy A12s, so this piece of information should be taken with a pinch of salt. So that is all for today's video. If you have any question regarding this video, you can leave your comment in the comment section below. If you find this video informative, then a like will be appreciated and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on social medias, the links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.